Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to customize dashboard themes in GoHighLevel so we can personalize the look and feel of our workspace. Whether we prefer a light or dark theme or want to adjust the interface to match our brand, these settings are easy to configure. From the GoHighLevel dashboard, we will head over to Settings. We can find Settings in the lower left corner. Once we find it, we just need to click on it. Under Settings, we will see the Company section. We just need to click on Company. Inside the Company settings, we will go to Advanced Settings, also known as White Label Settings. Here, we can see the light and dark theme options. We just need to choose the one we prefer. Let's go ahead and select the dark theme. Once we have selected it, we just need to click Save Changes. And that's how we customize dashboard themes in GoHighLevel. Just a few simple steps to make our workspace feel exactly the way we want it.